everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Copycat Popeyes chicken sandwich, so let's get started with the video. First, prepare the chicken. Pat 2 chicken breasts dry with a paper towel. Then place plastic wrap over the chicken and pound it to an even thickness. Next, cut the chicken breast in half. When you're finished, set the chicken to the side. Now we're going to make the seasoning blend. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Next, we're going to prepare the marinade. In a large bowl, mix together 1 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1/4 cup of pickle juice, 1 egg, and the seasoning blend we made before. Then add the pieces of chicken into the marinade, making sure each piece is fully coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 1 to 3 hours or overnight for best results. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to make the spicy mayo. In a small bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of cumin. Once you've mixed everything together, place the sauce in the fridge for at least 15 to 30 minutes before serving. Now let's prepare the seasoned flour. In a shallow dish, combine 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and the seasoning blend we made before. When you're finished, take the chicken out of the fridge. Then add some of the marinade into the flour mixture. This will create the crispy bits on the chicken when we fry it. Now remove the chicken from the marinade, letting the excess marinade drip off. Dredge the chicken in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing it in and making sure it's well coated. When you're finished coating the chicken, set it to the side. Then repeat this process with the other pieces of chicken. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before frying. While the chicken rests, heat a neutral oil in a pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot and the chicken is ready, you can go ahead and fry them. Fry the chicken in batches for 4 to 6 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Once the chicken is finished frying, place them on a wire rack or a paper towel covered plate to drain. Once you finish frying all of your chicken, let them rest for 10 minutes, then increase the temperature of the oil to 375 degrees and then refry the chicken for 1 minute. Double frying the chicken is going to make them extra crispy. Now we're going to toast the brioche buns. In a large pan over medium heat, add butter. Once the butter is melted, add the buns in the pan and then toast them until golden brown. Once you've finished toasting the buns, place them on a plate. Then evenly spread the spicy mayo on the bottom bun. Then add some sliced pickles. Next, place a piece of chicken on top. Now evenly spread spicy mayo on the top bun. And finally sandwich everything together. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. This sandwich was so good, it might even be better than the ones they sell at Popeyes. The chicken was well seasoned, crispy, and perfectly cooked. And I seriously think the spicy mayo tasted just like the one from Popeyes. The recipe is simple but delicious. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!